Bet's closed now, good luck. Six black. Six black, the winning number for now, part of first line section, the even number first is an integral and complements on the winners, but open. Bet's closed now, good luck. $25 red. $25 red, the winning number for this being part of was under 0 section high and out third as an first gallon compliments on the winners, but open.
Spin is made luck. That's close, thank you. Black number is winning number 4 of 6 last spins. And called numbers are 5, 12, 19, 34 and 27. Excuse me. In this game winning number is 6, it's low, even and hot number from first dozen. Congratulations to all winners, thank you for this game. You are welcome to place your bets. Spin is right, wish good luck. That's close, thank you. And in this game, winning number is low and even number from second dozen, third column, Evolution the zero section. And in this round, winning number is 18 red.